Hey guys, it's Steffi D. Welcome back to Steffi D Creates. It's almost St. Patrick's Day and I'm so excited. It's another reason to celebrate and be festive and decorate. So today we're just going to be making something super fun and easy. We're going to be making pots of gold that you can decorate your house with or give away, fill with candy. These are just an easy, fun decoration. So let's get started. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and I will have links to all of the products that I used in the comments below. So come craft with me, Steffi D. For your first project, you're going to need glass mason jars, shamrock window decals, green acrylic paint, green yarn, gold ribbon, and circle tags. For your second project, you're going to need mini terracotta clay pots, black acrylic paint, gold glitter, and Mod Podge. Both projects will require a foam brush and a paintbrush, paper plates, and lots of gold candies. The first thing that we're gonna do is peel off one of our window decals and stick it on the glass mason jar. I use these instead of stickers because they're easier to peel off the glass. Place it on your mason jar right in the middle of the smooth side and press it down. Make sure it's nice and stuck on there. Take your green paint and put some on your paper plate, and take your paintbrush and we're going to gently paint around our shamrock decal. We want to be careful that the paint doesn't seep through, so just lightly paint around your shamrock. I paint around the shamrock first with a paintbrush so that when I take my bigger brush and paint the whole mason jar, I won't get paint underneath this decal. Try not to get any paint on top of the decal because when you peel it off, it might pull off the whole design. Once you have a little bit of a thicker border around your decal, we're gonna add more green paint to our paper plate and we're gonna use our foam brush to paint the rest of the outside of the jar. So I'm gonna put my hand inside, take my foam brush, go up to your border that you already painted, and we're gonna go around the entire bottle with green paint. Be careful as you get close to your decal, just to make sure you're not touching it. Don't forget to do the lip of your jar. Once you've given it a thorough first coat, we're gonna let this sit for about a half an hour and repeat the first two steps. Paint a border around your decal with your small brush and then paint the whole bottle with your big brush. Once you've painted your second layer of paint on, we want to make sure it is completely dry before we continue to the next steps. So let this sit for about an hour. Once your jar is completely dry, we're ready to finish it. So take some gold ribbon and take one of your circle tags, run your ribbon through it, wrap it around your jar, tie it off. Then you can write a note to whoever you give it to. Like, I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. It goes perfect on here. Peel off your decal. Now for the final step. You're gonna take all of your gold coins and candy and fill your jar. The window will allow whoever you give this to see all of the yummy treats that you filled it with. For your second pot of gold, we're gonna take our mini terracotta pots and do a coat of black acrylic paint. Take your foam brush and do a nice coat of black paint all over the pot. Make sure you're also painting the top rim. We're gonna let this sit and dry for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once your first layer of black paint has dried, we're gonna go back and paint a second layer of black paint. So just give it a nice, good coat. Don't forget to paint the rim again. And let this sit for another 20 minutes until it's completely dry. Once your pot is dry, we're gonna add all the gold glitter. So I bought a shamrock stencil and I cut it out and we're gonna tape it onto here. I prefer to use painter's tape to tape it on, that way it won't pull off the black paint. Once it's on there right where you want it to be, we're gonna take our paintbrush and our Mod Podge and we're gonna paint the Mod Podge inside the stencil. We're also going to Mod Podge around the top rim. Make sure you're getting a nice even layer of Mod Podge. Take a paper plate and your gold glitter and do a nice coat over your stencil and all around the rim. Give it a nice couple taps to tap off the excess glitter. It's okay if there's glitter on other areas, they won't stick. You can just brush it off with your fingers or if you have an extra paintbrush. Let this sit for 20 minutes until it's dry. While that's drying, don't forget to take your paper plate and fold it and put your glitter back into your glitter bottle. No mess. Once your Mod Podge has completely dried, carefully peel off your stencil to reveal your beautiful 4-leaf clover. Now we're going to seal in the glitter to make sure that it doesn't come off on your hands or all over your house. So you're gonna take your Mod Podge again and do a layer over all of your glitter. Make sure that you're only going over the area that has glitter. Let this dry for another 20 minutes. Once it's completely dry, it's time to fill it with candy. So take all of your favorite gold candies, gold coins, peanut butter cups, my favorites, and you're ready to go. You can store them all over your house, make it a treasure hunt for your family to find all the hidden goodies, give them away to your friends and family. Everyone will love these little festive treats. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make something fun and festive for St. Patrick's Day. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at SteffiDCreates. Full instructions for this project and others are on my blog, SteffiDCreates.com. Keep sending me pictures of everything that you're making, especially if you're making something holiday themed. I love to see it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. I know I'm not Irish. Who doesn't love a reason to celebrate and decorate and do arts and crafts? I do.